Welcome all. My name is Mr. Sparrow here in Virginia. Today I am going to show you a new dance I created from the song High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. This song will feature the hype from Fortnite, but in the introduction it starts with a clap like this. And then you can either do two hands or you can just focus on one hand like that. So either one or two. Next part is the hype. Now I'm going to throw you three parts to the hype. The main part, the one everyone knows or knows what it looks like, is you put your arm up with a fist. You're going to go forward 3 times. But it's not just the arm, it is the foot as well. So it'll look like 1, 2, 3. And then you bring both arms back and go again with the same foot. 1, 2, 3. Then you alternate to the other side. So let's try to do that together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you could add a little jump to it to make it more challenging like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This way you get a little jump into it, a little jump step. And then we have a challenge part where you're turning while doing the hype. Then it goes into a 2-step. But let's try to see what a hype looks like all together. So with the hype, let's do this side first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. We're going to do that 8 times in the song. Then we move into what's called a 2-step. 1, 2, 1, 2. You have one foot go to the side, and then your follow foot follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that, a 2-step. Then after the 2-step, you go into a kickball change. A kickball change. So it will be starting with this foot. It will be kick, not past, not above your shin. Ball, change. So you want to land on your toes. Then kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. So once you do the 3rd step, you should always be landing on your toes like this. So let's try to put the kick, ball, change together. One side, one side, one side, one side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Just like that. And then you move into what I like to call is brush off your shoulder. Brush off your shoulder. Just like that. And then you put it all together again, starting with the hype. The bridge goes a little bit slower, so you extend the brush. And then you do a pre-step hype to get you ready for that hype motion. A pre-step hype is, instead of kicking out, you're just going to do a step with the rocking your hand back and forth, forward and back like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. So let's try to put that all together. With the hype, 2-step, kickball change, brush. In the song, you'll do the hype 8 times. But in the tutorial, we're just going to do it 4 times. Go to the 2-step, go to the kickball change, then brush. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Two-step. Kickball change. Brush. And that's the part of the song. Let's try to put that all together with the song.